Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. And in today's video we are going to IKEA and wanna take you all with me. So recently I have found Aashvi is doing so many risky stuff. So it's so risky that there are so like TV racks on the ground, and it's so risky. She just climb on that and oh my god, I cannot tell you how much like it's risky. I feel all the time stressed. So now we decided to mount the TV on the wall, throw the TV rack, and also add some like cabinets on the wall, mount it so that we can put some plants and the decorative things over there. So we need to buy some furniture also, and also some pots for the kitchen. So actually this video is quite old and I'm sharing here quite late, but hope you all will enjoy it. So stay connected and come with me. Whether I have to buy something or not, I would always love to have a tour around this kitchen section. And I recently found that IKEA has very good collections of these steamers, and it gets fit to any other ports of IKEA, and maybe I think on the outside ports also. And we Nepalese mostly use it to make momo or steam vegetables. So we decided to have one, and I also wanted to have some heavy pots vessel to make sometimes biryani. Actually we are not good in making, but sometimes we just love to make like whatever it comes, like it's obviously tasty good. And here we found some baby kitchen pots. So I think it will be very suitable for Aashvi, so that she can also play it when I'm busy in kitchen. Aashvi, jump, jump. And we also got some airtight plastic containers, so that I think it will be very useful in storing spices like jeera, methi, and also some lentils. Like we generally get in 2 kg package, so it's big enough to store the whole package in it. And we got in 2 size. And look at her, she always finds something everywhere, and she enjoy making mess, whether it's a home or market or anywhere. She is not easy to handle. Bye Aashvi. Tata. 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 Maya. Maya. Oh my God. And let me show you something else that we got from IKEA. So we got this wooden block and it can be drilled on the wall so that we can shift our important things on little higher space so that she could not reach it. And I will show the exact use of these wooden blocks in my coming vlog, so stay tuned. And I also got this kitchen organizer, I would say. So it's generally used to make a partition on the kitchen cabinet. So yeah, this was pretty much that I wanted to share with you all, and I hope you all guys enjoy watching it. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.